is your boy Akwaroro. No testimony, Chaburata. I tell you with my people that in the house.
Where you go since Lolo? Yeah?
When you see what you God don't do, you go appreciate it. He don't turn my life around with a year. Every time I go, they call his holy name, say hi. Okay, we need to go to the next level. Tell our precious one, you say.
You don't go back. You two want sit down. Balance. Eh?
Now, so he they do me every time. He say, if I press and he go turn my life around. So I gather people now.
Let's turn my life around.
Father, come go to the world. People they follow and I say,
Let's turn my life around. Lolo, you see, they don't catch you. They say you did a pack class since. Oh? Eh?
people just look me say, Akwaroro, I come. God bless you like this. Not be my fault. Tell them.
Eh?
Speak the English, get them in the book. Oh, yeah. All my people from the east. Make us sing it where your letters are. Tell your neighbor. Oh, yeah, tell them one more time. Oh, yeah. And you know I don't know. I won't tell me whatever. Oh, yeah. Make you put your hands on your head.
Somebody say you Lolo did a pack class since. Eh? Yeah, man. Turn my life around. Now don't shake the table leg before I come. Lolo say one leg don't break for the table. Jesus. Why not come over shake the table now? Oh, nice. Niger Wash. Eranomiwa and Odion looks like they don't settle. Wow, that's a great one. That's a great one, though. I hope we are able to settle our own today. Felicia and Agang. I hope we fit settle. Yeah? I hope we fit settle Felicia and what do I call them? What do I call them? Apropos people. Let's see. Yeah? Good evening, Niger Wash. Yeah? That's a good one. Eranomiwa and Odion are settled. Okay, now. Yeah? I pray that no, still go start again tomorrow because that settlement we don't the year. In short, since last year, that is the year. That is not the year settlement. Let this settlement be permanent for them. Oh, eh? And don't we know? Oh, don't we know? Oh, and don't we know? Oh, if you go work tomorrow, go sleep. No bother. You can wash it tomorrow. It's just for how long? Let's say for 1 month. If they feel settle for 1 month, it's nice now. After everywhere go cool down. Yes, so Vika the better picking. It's too much. Keep voting, guys. Keep voting. Eh? ACA group. Which day I do live video for here? Which day I do live video? That they write ACA group. up ACA. I can't they say which one be ACA ACA group again. Just see now. Only today. Where ACA group just start to Felicia just make the popular. Today me I the verse for Felicia for some kind things like that. And because of that one, it can't still go they affect other people. Can't draw their legs, draw some people hand, they drop their neck, follow body, can't join inside the matter. No understand because this one a social media matter. So me I fair ask before I start say because I be one control. Aproko people, Lolo help me check quick I beg. The Aproko people they remove the picture of Felicia. I be one check before I come, but person call me, I not confused, I not can remember. This story go sweet well, go sweet. More not just, more no hurry, more take and small. Good evening, my beautiful lady from Malo. I better not let the fashion where they follow that Malo, not let them reach where you do. God forbid. This one where you did. Do like Umodaro. Okay, he say yes, they don't remove her. They don't remove her. Why they remove her? Now no even sabi anything say una be mokwe. Why una remove her? Now they fear. Why una remove her? Cassava, why una remove her? Because I see say now you be the Ija Egbe for them. Tell me why una remove her before I continue my own. They remove her. Cassava, why una remove her? I just want to know why una remove her before I start my own. Cassava, oh, I be the donation una for Interpol. I be na FBI of America. I be na Woswamba. Where there for donation una wo na just fear remove her now. Okay, now be say Cassava, you not be a shareholder for them. You say the thing tire you. Now be say you not be shareholder. Nah, there, no make there. Yeah, people, yeah, foul, yeah, women, smelly women. Nah, there. They worry everybody. Now they check everybody table for Facebook. Now they shame. They not just the shame at all. They go they check table. If you reach their body, they'll constantly put their nyash down. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everyone in the house today. Good evening. See your girl, Monica Lobo, aka Shine Your Shine. Yes. I'm here to shine my shine. I don't want to shine anybody's shine. I just want to shine my shine. But all the same, while I'm talking today, some people might get hot. Just be here. Take paracetamol. If you get pain, just take paracetamol. You go kill the pain. If you carry and pass paracetamol, you are on your own. You are on your own because nothing where they talk for social media where we come inside on our house where we come carry. I never come visit you before. Now inside social media now I foresee them. Okay, let me go there. Yes, this evening, my people, why I am here is for, it's not for no other person. It's for Felicia and a gang. I call them gang. Felicia and a gang. I'm not happy with Felicia, but we don't have any problem at all. We don't have any issue before today. You guys know I can't lie for that. You understand? You understand? Hey, who be this one? Assurance boo. Will you shut up your mouth there? Me, I cause you join there. You dey craze. Now put picture, now they shake somebody table before you never even reach 24 hours. Now don't remove them. Which table now one fish shake? Now they craze. Even now one fish shake Felicia table. Which other person table na one fit check? Na the mad. Say no cost. What you na one fit do? They create. So na bath. If not be Felicia, we come make una popular. Local champion, they make local champion, they popular. Who know now? Since we una started today, how many followers una get? If not be Felicia, they make beg. You know, wa remove a picture ni. Me matere ni tebo de Felicia. Wa remove a picture ni ka boti e bone. Because they take picture ni raw. Ya te pity but wana remove ya ka boti e bone. Ya boligi ya scatter everywhere. Kema ya no mo ebo scatter ya. Ebo edze scatter ya. Ave ma ya no bonyeku ya scatter ya. Ave okave ni rieve yokowa. Ya scatter ya okave ni yobokin ya ve imyowa. Inya mi obokin re inya ya eve imyoe. What take time? Well, not shake table. If I check on a table, now if you do nothing, na dead rats now they do since now. And Felicia now na go shake when they shake when they cry for live video like say what it don't happen safe. Okay, so what happen my people? Before now, in short, now don't start to the verse for Felicia again. Now I be not to say I'll verse reach like this. Since they don't come out the picture, I don't the verse well. Now I want me everywhere scatter. I don't care again. If you be not come out the picture, I be not the verse for her. Now when I come out the picture, I don't the verse. Now where I propose say no cost me, I will cost you now today. So tell anybody will do any, I'll cost you papa, I'll cost you mama joiner. Trust me. You understand? Because una don't do a war. Now war na be this one. What's that rubbish? So before now, before today, me and Felicia not get problem at all. We not get problem. We not the verse for each other at all. I know the verse for them. We not get one single problem. Everybody just dey lay for Facebook. Until this afternoon, I been at morning. When I hear Felicia, they vibrate for a part video. Now say, what did they happen again? You know? Now person come download me, say, see waiting and see waiting happen. Say they go put Felicia picture for apropos, whatever. Now I run, go there, I go read waiting the right put. Now this one, Felicia, just they make back for just now. Too much now. Now I write today say now I call for a lot of video. Say, hey, people wey be ijagbe of fake account, they don't they cry for fake account too. Before they come up for our person, don't call me long month. Monica, the verse for Felicia now say yes. At the verse for her. He say why now say you go here in the evening. That time I be never really the verse for her show. I be one make joke with all the old thing where they go. But right now, now so now don't commode the picture. Me, I don't verse for Felicia. I don't verse for all his gang. I don't verse for everybody where this thing involve. I the verse for all of them right now. So anything right now, don't be waiting. I plan come now. I want do again. I don't change. I know do the one where I be plan come a good one. Right now, table don't change. People they call me saying Felicia. People call me. I say everywhere good because everywhere be good. Now just check the table. Don't spoil. One table. Now one leg they say come on before I come. Right now the 3 leg don't come. Only one leg it is stand. I don't know how it go be you. What did Felicia do today? We no good. Felicia, they say fake account carry Felicia picture. Go to say Felicia, which 17 years anniversary you they do? Where be say last year you were luxury with black. Now the black you they do now you they do anniversary for. I been at the white you they do anniversary for. Now only that one, those people just talk. They don't even talk any new thing. That one an old story. Now old story. I don't understand that kind of thing. Constantly the Pepe Felicia. That one an old story now. That one a long go story. Even they can dig be that one rotty talk. Everybody fair know, even Peking where they never born, that Peking where be they say I get be, even that April Fool Peking, they know now. That April Fool Peking, if you even tell them just now, say, hey, una no yeah, fella, he go say, that one a whole story now. Now that kind of story, Felicia just yeah, back. I just say now another thing. Say na naked picture they can finally carry. I don't know, say na the one where if you even call my dead mother now, say, Mama, you don't know of Felicia matter, I go even wake up, I go narrate and go sleep again. Everybody know that story now. Story wey still dey audio till today. It still dey audio, never go. Felicia no you come and read oko no mo dey vale webo. I mean one no my in short, a poem no. A poem I recite again and again. Well, when you recite and you recite Felicia no you come and read. Felicia no you come and read. Oko no mo dey vale webo. Oko no mo dey vale webo. Felicia gbe wa na onge upo gbe iye da na wo gbudu. Felicia no you come and read. What ni recite no be the same thing the people still write for there. You just come What else will they write for there? Nothing. You reach a part video, the one where come the verse me inside Felicia, Why you they do Felicia? Felicia, now you be jagbe. Now you be godmother of Facebook people now. No Facebook for this Facebook where Felicia no know who they behind them, except Aproko. Even the Aproko, Felicia know who they behind them. I'm not go listen to the cause where they cause the person. You already know, say the person, whether he born, he not born. Felicia know where the person dey. Felicia know how the life of the person be. No Facebook, any fake account. Felicia is the first to be their mutual friend. So, Felicia, why are you crying that fake account is insulting you? Why? Are they not your friend? Are you not their godmother? One terrible fake account come out either early this year or late last year before December. If you now see what that account they do, hey, every day that account go come out, he go talk. Nothing way no use man take talk for people body. The only person where that person not talk to, now be Felicia no you come and read. At the end of the day, when that person can't go talk to Felicia gang, Felicia can't come there. He can't come for the person. Oh, my darling, stop. That one can say, Mommy, because of you. Mommy, if not be because of you. Felicia, you know that person. When that person, they put people picture, they talk heaven ahead. You quiet, you dey your eye, you dey dance, you dey your boss, you dey go. Hey, so ya zen, give what I be. Omagi jere, o yere no o, Felicia, e fake account na teme no account ne no babe doing. Ou gati on ave Nigeria ve dene na de no tomato si ve ki ou we de la e Felicia no you pon mari ebiri. All time awe Felicia no you pon mari ebiri. Felicia no you pon mari ebiri. Oko no mo de fa be webo. Oko no me de fa be webo. Felicia we me ya ta ma webo. Don't want no my story ni. I recite na. Felicia no zega hegbe ahe nene mi begbe ogbudu ije dana. Felicia water where be Jennifer erio awogwa ka mo ko no huowe. I recite na veni tane ya dele yo mu pa. Devi no wani gigbe na me on ze. Devi no gbena no na wa ladian Felicia wonya fake account Felisa, we are ti la dien boyan we tie ve nan we tie ne gbu we uga ye fe kakanti ya tie bon okpia wo ko social media no we no gbo ve ni meje ne ye ti tie ne gbe me we na ye fe kakanti ya tie bon no wan iwe ebonu wa tie iwe no gbe me Felicia we are ti ta Felicia we mana tie we me no tie nu we na gba wa ke UK ariye Italy ahun wa eri meguwa osunu dawa ni ansu wa wela na mene monica e make sure ready your word ahun ba asu wa because wa iye we are word zo iye we are responsible ya gallant iye we are live video but even no sunu we live video e fe kakanti yen ni eyan ya gbin no avec buwa ya di with one by one me one wa Emmanuel tie Felicia gang I know now you see I know now Felicia will be this the day wo na go happen I will sit down hereeboze abo to ni ye fake account Yahweh godmother ni ye fake account Yahweh e goddaughter o isu wa gbe wa do aso don wa so mani babola wa gbe wa gbon abi je no ugbopo wa abi ko ba ni gbe ya tew wa gbe ya ni wa giso wo don wa soma do manu wa somai lare ni tama we Felicia e pa we party do my own Felicia mene monica tamu we na Felicia e pa social media president or we party October 6 Felicia mu dobo we re giave hongwe egbewe egbe wana kan mi no sunu egbe ijo gbudu we ije dana wo gbudu Felicia no bi poma we biri giave hon na we egbe wana give hongwe area emi ugege on the 6th of October Felicia wa we ti gangi we a nu we ya fie e parti we nu fie hia Felicia u we gwa lo nu mieke na ta we area pa we ya Felicia take your time, Mo. Take your time. Ana miege mi ugege ni mi ugege. Osunu be party ni. Me, ohian lohowe. Because igbawe Felicia. Ime wak bawe fo fe. Ime sike we o. Beti wak bawe. Iridiwe. Head to toes. Iwaridiwe gboma nuhin. Uwu mie na epa we party. Oyin ya wene. Oyin veti wene. Uwe no fi unwe gwe a. No fi we gwe no do ya invite we a o na ibaya amue abi mwina no mamane ave me ne giata e pari teme we be na e me ma giata no we egbe na boy we be ave tie na before o la don teme ni gbagba e me we o ma we be na egbe woye because e me ne giata na teme ataji o wo ma egbe Felicia. Felicia, we make geni metamu we na to salo bua no ro. Dedi me mie we agamie ya we fe. Agamie ya we fe iwa kemi yo wo bo my brother. Iwa kai yo wo we pan. O me de no wa seke na gwa. Ogezo iwa do analyze mi nuewu. I analyze me ye Facebook ni we gugwa. I analyze emenya ya ozuo edede ya wa ya agewe o beta do agele gewe emi nuki my brother I'm telling you uni mo pona tan yo vena especially the live video na emi na wa gun aya hon pe aya hon ko wo wai my brother you are kai yo wo we abeze ezeku eze gwayo so no boo my brother and when you the mobile fight your tradition one day I'm going to ask you which of the tradition you are fighting for Edo or for your own no can we set it no where I be no yedo do be me traditional man or be me o bia no yi ko no bun ya ni so wa ga bonye me understand you wanna egbe onye na buwo wima. What are you saying? Okbiaba wala live video. Oh bonye. Even if you have no total way, dokbia no guana. No, my brother. No. This live video now. I mean, ensignon se gbegi no. I wa korete gbe. I korete straight direct. I korete mago me Monica me married yo. God forbid. I married yo mago. Ama gwan ye we. Where I here represented, especially where I represented, do no damn way. I represented do where I want represent domain oba talk me. Even watabunu. Where it mago watawa dying wage itoba talk me lele. Mago wia. No jeve nage. Ukmona soki le 3 days no wia teu. Tamagata be boma yoa. Jesus. It's bad. Very, very bad. My brother, Iwakai. One owo eva ya. Iwakai. Omekenya ikase. I ave tiebo, ya ave gbina. I ade. I analyze. I tave mi ya nuewu. Du gele re. Du we gele. U gele hormona gele kokowo. Pogwa o piano gele keke no represent o viedo webu. Oh, piano keke no totaye eke na agbore mi na yin owo ba tok be oba tok be o mini we wa hian gun wa represent oba those states wa represent matter wa represent odion because awe edoga sogoma edodion edoga be Edo asogoma edodion wa be soge dododion so ga tawe oba talk me meaning you want to represent Edo people, and when you want to represent Edo people, normal Edo people are known for the truth, respectable people with dignity, isn't it? Despite the yaga way hungry come pursue people enter Europe where they can they do. Okay, so for any married man coming live video to come and say I want to say oba talk me, get ready to say the truth and nothing but the truth. I don't care about the money they give to you guys. I don't fucking care. I don't. If you can't tell them the truth, I will use you. Me will tell you the truth, and the person where you judge the matter go they look you. What's that? What's that? Eme wa deveriana e wore no gi matters on people. Ikpe wa gbeme yo gbemere. Ekene matari e my huh? Please, nobody should call me with WhatsApp. I'm using one phone. Ekene matari e my ya ho e. Po nana gbeme yo gbemere. E respect him when no man stupid, my brother, do mine way. A respect or my way no man stupid. No fit the respect if me they thief you. Not possible. Except say you too you be thief. You understand? That is not an excuse. Okay, my brother, iwa kai yo wo we. Yeti type we ho. Iwa kai yo wo we. Iwa kai. No need na ave ya tai wa kenuna we wa pian bonye ana mi we du gele ya bonye then wa we show we ga to ba to pe because ba to pe ni o wa ya ni ya mo unu wa o ba to pe wa hin temi we do area ya bonye we gwa there ya bonye we gwa ni wa gade de mu meje gwa awa to ba to pe ne egene de yan we emi no magata be ni we wa mo se gwa anya oye poto da do ari ogwa ana emi we ri wa ya bonye be ni wa bonye na ija agi wa bo ebe social media na ewe na bo e wari go me be bo e de ba we no ke ari go ne no ke de ba no ke e ma to e ma ta no rokpia nu emi na yigo ya de ati yigo ya dogo me veri idoye funfun igwa lo wari igo me igwa lo wan kobo do agun ya agun be na mi ewe Monica yan ne unya we a oma wa agun be na mi ewe we na kun mi na e me no ma sa talking na imu yo mure edeso nene me get out the way wa ya wa coin wa do ta eri nene me logo a ya wa ma sabi wolo wolo. So, Felicia, Wonye fake account ya no re Facebook. Do sayo munu. When go ati ebo. Ogun gbona, ogun gboni, ogun gbeni. Me any it's none of my business. Wonye fake account ya ku we ki yogo we. Wa. No koko we emi asunu wa log nene ma we doge wa pressinya why open a fake account wa re three fake accounts why ya when wa fien nene mi se o ma make no fian le gbi me no ro wa wonye fake account ya no ire Facebook Felicia wo ija egbe fake account wo swe fake account anybody no dey ba we yan gu we yan na we mi. If you want or a fake account no leran liri, a cassava toto, akpu toto, tatache toto, orange toto, if you wear yakin, you are their godmother. You are all of them godmother. Oh my darling. You know, one fake account. So a fake account is guy dobe. Dua umege mi no season no Osama bin Laden America. Umege gbog wena no Felicia. Wetin happen for Osama bin Laden and Bush that time? Now this type of trouble. Bush always they give Osama bin Laden money, make they deal with all these other people. The day Osama bin Laden come rebel against master come they cry. That's why master he not think 2 times before he know who they worry and I be Felicia. Oh. Now one time Felicia tell no say this fake account na so person he be na Napoli day na enemy he day because now they Felicia na people where you fair empower now they against you so Felicia people where you give power make they cause Monica make they cause Lolo make they cause havoc today they are against you and you are crying on our social media. Wow, you don't know. Social media where you now they say, "In your Ma watch net in social media, ma work all day. My civil the defense the social media Felicia. Where to do a disturb ma? God forbid. Day and night, mama na winner. Mama na bogi ma. Why winner? Why we my winner? Why you come to disturb us now? Who they go work go say we not get work? Who not go work go say we not get work? The one where husband don't abandon go say we not get work. The one where not even know the one where in day. He go say we not get work. We day inside. My yard we day. Why get pok me ma? Don't be say on a problem come they throw me for inside social media. Now the airports they sweep now they clear now we they clear now we they watch night and now we they get down. Do you understand? Small thing, people where you teach work, they don't sabi work. Now they want use you. Take show example. You can't they cry. Why you go they cry? Why? Why you they cry? You get fake account where no fake. You know why me vex for Felicia. The thing surprised me. Say more than see Felicia they cry for fake account. Do you know that any fake account where they worry me, Monica or Lolo, if we reach there, say make we see who be the friend of this fake account. My people, Felicia is the number one friend, number one mutual friend. Me myself, I can't say this Felicia. I can't imagine how mature woman. You will wake up in the morning, the first thing you see now, people where they share other people baba thing, and you will leave them inside your Facebook. Me, that's why I know they have fake account. I don't like them. Because if I open my Facebook in the morning, they see what everybody post. I can see say fake account, don't post somebody. Felicia is a D. I don't want to see her. I'll just unfriend you or block you. I don't want to see her for my Facebook. So I can never have fake account. That's my friend. Because they always share evil. They are there to do havoc. They are there to cause pain for people. I don't like it. To even see it, I don't want. But Felicia will then be very comfortable. Thank you, my sister. Felicia will be very comfortable with 100 fake accounts in her own Facebook. All of them go, they call her mommy, mommy, mommy. He go, they happy. Today now they carry the they shook for Inyan. They don't even shook and where they say they don't command the picture. I wish you not command the picture. I for just leave Felicia. As una command the picture, me I help una beat and finish because una not beat and way. Because Inyama kwen wagbe abonye ku abonye pepe abonye azigidine ne mi atie azigidine riyan vijian. On webe no wa wegbe se azigidi we eri was 100 years. Otwa gizigidi yanore otewe bona. Me no e wube 60 years is there. No it toss 52 years yana fian wu pai. Iyan fian wu na. Because ya mi mata iyan ye ki oge. Emi nu ma yen muju egbe because we be brother, we be brother. Una be God. Na be God. Una be God. I hate when people they use waiting not even be anything till they make gaga. Una be. That don't me no ya hegbe. Then why ya hegbe my brother? Azigidi. No fian. Bang 52 years. Bang. Moi on parle diano roe. A society no toss 90 years. Awa no esunu. Egene de naneme society ave jeve no kwa. Ya 133 years, 108 years. Ija ogwa no guna 100 and something years. Cause o mafio boya menoro do ma mi na ti e koti. Na ije na ya go kwa no guve de agina. About age I'm very very sure man say 60 years. Ba tanai. Manire we boya ye fian wu. Ama ira bo ni Africa. Manire we bona ye machine. Awe daji yagbon. Dagele mi wu daji. Nane wu. We bona ga no ega wu ye. Say they really get something where they take the old dead, make person not die. Nobody for die for this abroad now. But believe me, you, that boy will die for Italy that day. How old did he die? Where he kill him? Another one will die that day. When I dey UK, one woman will die. Pastor wife, I be one man where they carry something go. Where he kill her? She not reach 60 years old. As they get money rich. Rubbish. Ikpepe, ajelala, iyomo, omomo, biyan se tie no ke, momo, isisisi, uroni gbegbe. On we tu wa se 90 years. You wa no ro wa ma se 90 years. No wa ya la we bo you wa ya fian wu. Ama iwu wa no ri wa we ni niveau mu giyan. Tamane ni mayaya so ale we bona. On no ese diomane. No ke no se dioma. Okun mi kere ogun. Ma na eje na. Agbon na yi to na. Ana u Felicia. Ugu la video be na Felicia. You can't dey cause people children who you be, Felicia. Felicia, how many children you born? How many? 2. Tege. Born and get. Where God give you. You no love them. You dey cause other people. Can you imagine yourself, Felicia? Felicia, this Facebook now we for talking. No more insult to children. Because una children, no they there. When una go open fake account. In short, when they will say, Mama, I'm hungry, you say, get out. When you don't enter inside fake account go enter you. You get 2 children when you not buy for market and you they use ogun, ikpepe, azigidi. Take they kill other people. It's a pity, Felicia. Pity. As a mother. Fair wait. The write up where they write up today, they not cause your children. They just talk about you. And the thing where they talk about you, we all don't fair year and not be new thing. Felicia no mo de webo. A new thing ni here. Osto oraimo we ya Facebook mi ya gbon yo. Oh story for the gods. Go and say it to your mother. Tell you never hear. You go rest. The person go come say he can't look your Facebook whether you don't dey cry. He go see say you don't give a bullet. Oh, before you know that your post, it go down, it go put another person you. Felicia, go that work, go see what they do with me. Now me, they even taste that. You hear them from my mouth. I don't even know their name. Their name, I don't even look. They are not important. They are known. Because now you, they inside. You and your gang. Ya siluwa we. Ya valuwa venia ya siluwa. Venia ya siluwa. I don't care that time. Because you know too much. Do you know, say this fake account where everybody they complain of? No be. Either they inside though. Now women we're supposed to be gallant women. Now they hide inside though. Useless ass women. Where get shit for nyash. Where they look for another people where they want push shit put for a body. Now they inside though. Many fake accounts they are from UK women. I'm telling you. Many fake accounts are UK women. Don't be me talking. I hear that day our sister talking. Say na 20 pounds. When the day as they would wait for man, when one use 20 pounds, they carry them. E fake account, ya live a life, ya wagu when on a life, ya waleke ya nasi we, ni anasi ognya we, you wear a shitty niaje. Many fake account is owned by UK women. You know, say Felicia na half UK and half Italy. American no ijebo. Ogbedek bebe di, ogbedek bebe do. So about my women no wodo, only ma concern ma. That's why. Yes. Many fake accounts confirm. Many fake accounts are UK women. If you say na lie, when Corey Toto go they make live video, go check people where they inside. Where they follow, they celebrate. They are all UK women. They are all UK women. But they do bad to you. I know talk like now. That Corey Toto meeting where they do. They use and do bad thing. They use and they do enjoy themselves. But they are all UK women. Majority of them are UK women. Only one I saying be Denmark, and that they talk all in life history inside. So those people, you can see why they have a fake account. Person they work, you know they get too much money. Your husband not let them do single mother. People where they do single mother they enjoy. She know they enjoy. They know they allow them send money. You must go school. You know they get better work. They do receipt. Can you imagine that kind of country? You must look for where to they release your hand Ghana. That's why. Then Felicia, the one where they talk just now for a party. Felicia, I know you. I know you. Felicia, I know you. Not to say I don't know you. You go start to the call now. You don't call 100 people since so. Epa. Odai bonika. Meri de patio. Iya wangu. Iya plani dame. Iya plani. Felicia. E patini tourier imaya die patini agbeda dore ari wa no gbina wa se Facebook ya gbina. You understand? Una ya patini wa obiere invite one de party u wa ya mo me no ma hia gie so that o do type no tell matter you we u we madege pana o me de support me. Ivo o wa hin o ma hia we party o invite one cia no fi we do ya invite we up Felicia. Wa fi no fie 1 million naira. Giagbado bobo de gbe. O na wa yo yere hin o yu gbo. No man ya mwe party yo to we. E next month gi no. U ma mwe gbe me na gie. Ari mi ro kekere bu ando mwe me gie. U wa live video Felicia u we telephone we gi se we live video. E we live video. Nou ya ye téléphone we ya ti ogun ba ti ogun pepe ogun ajela la ni yan wo danana mi e video e social media president motivational speaker o wa na do ati ogun nemo u ye ti oguni ya to ye seri yan o ma ye sue wa we no unu no ma unu wa na gwaleke no wa na ti o mama dan wa we no u o biere mwe parti yo to ma me mi ya to da dore u unu wa de to pa e so we no ya so we parti on si no na dey nice o egite dey nice ya un dan no you boy ya zare mi ya abi wo je be we huh why you no go greet me I don't forgive her I no get anything against her but say small thing just happen she just dey do pak Felicia who talk true this matter wey dey ground so una no know how it taste her for Felicia body una know how it taste her when I see erano mieya uefe aga mieya uefe he say celebration 17 years anniversary Lady Felicia as I just read down Lady Felicia I just say these people want cause wahala again. They want cause wahala again because I know say some people hear that one this thing go cause wahala o. Ena woma o Felicia na veri egbele. Felicia ni ta bi yekewe watana. Iwa we se video pa join celebration. Our lady celebrating 70 ina we my God. Pa we party yan wa we do involve ye rubbish. Felicia na azonge ma azim Felicia na edema. Felicia we gi we are celebrating 17 years we Felicia we me Facebook we. Felicia then we 2020 we marriage Facebook we na time ya me are no problem. Almost to bag marriage we ni 2020 we ni Jesus. Felicia not be your Facebook you for talk that one why you can't be say anniversary now you can't carry and go a pound when you know say this thing it must be a coin it must be a zoo because you know your enemy say if they hear that thing go make me king for their ear ask me read down ina wi je lolo we kwe me ni agbe Felicia na veri egbele kaka eri wata ina we deri egbele because they too ri egbele o ma kweta mu we social media we happy 17 you say my sister I just want to do it with my family I don't want to bring it to social media Felicia mo no egberi o yata ogwo we you no care akefi we mi bon wa so wa vie wa ga we ne mi avasi we who we you no care if they don't do you now you will come they cry you no go let person hear word see now don't they fight to yourself now just they fight now fake account also this one attack that one attack that one the day where they will know they inside just now they can't bring and come social media they will come they cry they will come they say now the day where they talk to Felicia now all women want come naked cause put for what the time where they cut a pie head put on for mad person what's a woman at your boy again the time where they put a pie for inside coffee what's a woman at your boy again the time where they do obituary for a person when never die why una not cost put that time who be Felicia how much she pay and I married be Felicia and at your boy fake account na phone where I not just get I not get two phone one wait me my daughter get another phone this one will become my nene fake account me too I'll come open now I'll come open and they use and they do it bad. They go me and see una cause who you want key. For what? The time when they clap for all the fake account, una no say they pay. Who be it one where they use my name to sing? Any nation. Leave those one, my dear. This is me. I never even check body for better people. Not to talk of people when me don't carry jet. I don't go since 17 years ago. Now jet I carry. Now you want carry bicycle me. Go come the worry. So I me like me de yeki. So I me like me de yeki. Go me de go here. It no good. Una mwe 17 years anniversary mu ye Facebook ni an celebrate. Una we o sie zo. And that zone we ga agwa loge na go sie ne zone. It don't cause problem now. If you be celebrate your celebration for his ass, nobody go come ask you where you sleep. You go come celebrate and for Facebook, you say, I don't care. When you know, say people care. People care because not be everybody like the kind lifestyle where una they celebrate. Not be everybody like am. Not be everybody like that kind lifestyle where una they celebrate. People wey ask question, they no ask bad. People wey ask question, they no ask bad question. Now good one they ask. Which one you they celebrate, my sister? Is it the one of black or the one of white? What it come back for there? You go just tell them I'm celebrating the one of white. Clear. Oh, I'm celebrating the one of black. Clear. You want, may you do nonsense. May everybody come say, ba, 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 for you. It's not possible. It's not possible. Everybody not come feel the clap for nonsense. What you they do? Everybody not feel clap for nonsense. Where you they do? If you want go a party, come. Make we come bubble. If you don't want come, stay ass. Not look for opportunity to tell yourself, say, now this one come make me not come. Ugwe mi na ni gbe Felicia ugwe egbe. Wayo na ya ugbokpo gwa. Wokba egbu we ni ve nu kere se ni egbu wokba wa vun e o ni ve deri wa. Ugbona fua onema onima wokba wa konte ho ni ve deri wa. Why is it that anybody that is happy online, you come live is something there? Why what they say about your husband that he is foolish? That is what affecting you right now. That is why you are not progressing and your husband is not doing nothing. My darling, I will keep you here. I will not block you. I'll keep you here, darling, because only you want know what they shop you. And when you keep seeing me, whether you tell the truth to yourself or you just pretend and lie, the truth is inside of you. So I don't have time. I will not block you. You understand? We celebration that the jealousy. Una even know what to be jealousy. If una see jealousy, una go know. Which celebration be jealousy? Marry West straight like this. They're not jealousy. Now the one where be tabu tue. Tabu tue. Now that one that they jealousy for 17 years. My dear, pack where? If person still they talk, say that they jealousy me. Pack where? Who they jealousy you for that one? People just they pity you. Let her insult me. I don't give a damn. You understand? Let her insult me. I insult don't do me nothing. If I come out tomorrow, I insult her, you will see she will hang herself. Now she insults they pay, if you don't know. Come on, right up the right today. Meanwhile, now she all the fake account where they Facebook. And she get them. She said people they jealous of her. Jealous who? Jealous waiting. Anyash. I head. I height. Waiting they jealous. Her husband. Where they do tabu to I've been at the side one. Now Europe, let me come see some women will get the one will be husband. They will come get the one will be Jara. Husband and one before, but Euro now Jara. You get one husband, they'll use another one to do jara poo for some people. Oh. Never be see that one before. So if you like, you insult, you know insult. You know get what they do, Monica. The people where insult they do. You see how they disgrace themselves up and down. So Felicia, you are the godmother to all fake account on Facebook. Deal with it when they are not dealing with you. Deal with it. Don't come to social media and be crying and be ranting. Now you want give a part money may do party. Even if now you want give a money may do party, it's none of our business. Pack where? Because this Facebook not be you get some. You understand? Pack where? Pack where? If you not really get who they advise you or that they advise you, you know they hear. Continue to the disgrace them. Because Agioba Agiosue. Agioba Agiosue. Where Felicia friend, they'll say, see. Eruwa ya say ya kek bado an we. Why that one not the fit talker with that one? That one. It's bad, Felicia. It's bad. It's very, very bad. You understand? You know? So it depends. My sister, he can pay to receive it, so he can pay them. He can pay them when the fake account go, they insult them. And now they be fake accounts. You see them so evil. Like they be. Evil. Not be that be fake account if you not know more than know, eh? Not be person where just come abroad, all those one. Not be that be fake account, oh. Now people were supposed to get life, but their life don't die. You, Ima, get out of here, you bastard, idiot. Where so many pressure make yakbo when wakbon. Yamo were if you get go bring and come see. Take your own leg, Bishop Mo for see you. Bon fool. Idiot. Me I say any fake account come one single rubbish and I will send you to Felicia Rottignash. May you go the lick her ass there. You look us like who they look lick her ass. You look us like person where they feel use 50 euro or be na 100 euro. They block him out. What it be that rubbish? Only Felicia since 3 years. Felicia. So they say the same thing. Eh? Felicia. One thing. You marry Egbele. The Egbele, Felicia. Anything where you want to do with yourself. It not be our business. For real. But Felicia, if you come dey do am for people face, like say the mumu, no! One neck very honey. Felicia, if you want chop black, you want chop white. Felicia, chop them hide. No be only you want, don't they do this thing. People wey marry white, I mean, now why ain't you bougie wear anything. But their own not dey social media, their own not dey Ekiobanagbato. They hide doing. Eh? Your own night the newspaper for Nigeria. Your own night the every live video. Eh? Since when you not still content the call for live video now? Eh, yana be yeah. Ne pa na wa be invite you we party. Una wa be yo yere ki you go Felicia. We go lo say de tu we mo say. Ah, Elizabeth Greta wow. O se we jo waju nu we social media Elizabeth Greta. Where pack inu ya sike o eke de Felicia je nu wa make na ni nye ne ya tafia le live video here. Abinu wa mo ask for ni gam Italia. Ah? Elizabeth Greta ya mo ask for yo wa. E Felicia akinwinare why engage gbu wa be ask for. Egi o iga talave o vieke yo we ho. Egi mi oboya atalegbe ele la abebo here. That is what friends are for. Elizabeth Greta, make yourself available for your friend to gossip. Not be say if you don't spoil everywhere, who are your comments? And so what? Who not get you for body? My sister, not be everybody get you for body. Though, even some people, we get for body, they hide down. Make you and your friend more than they hide now. Because your comment today for a power, everybody they body. Make una they hide now. Elizabeth Greta and Felicia. Wala wo agyo ba agyo sunwe. Agyo ba agyo sunwe. Gwose we gwan Elizabeth Greta, gwose we gwan. La wo na do afiu pegwe always and all the time. You understand? Talk to your friend. If your friend is there, just tell them, my friend, enter live video, talk about yourself, don't go to their platform. Because now there, now you dey disgrace yourself. Or you say, my friend, I bet talk to me. Just tell your mommy. Yeah, me and my friend, we dey do like that sometimes because we get asked for free of charge. Elizabeth Greta, because of when I know Lolo, I think the ask for was not free. But because now we take the communicate, I say, oh girl, you need to change. Go change you now. Carry the one of ask for free of charge. So that you understand. They say women gossip alone. If you have one that you are gossiping with, it's not that bad. But by the time your gossip is everywhere is bad, Felicia. You are a matured woman. You are more than 40 years old. They say a fool as 40 is a fool forever. Felicia celebrated her 40 years birthday like 2 or 3 years ago. You are no longer a baby. Where small children go come they use you the Zolacon for live video. They use you the Zolacon for Facebook. Just because I don't care. Did I not say that word? No lady should use it again. Please. Mona we open fake account, mona cost Felicia we which kind Felicia, because of Felicia, they'll come close fake account. Not be she be una mother. Felicia is the mother of fake account. She cannot deny it. She have a lot of friends who are also fake account user. They'll tell you, say, if my husband see my comment, he go kill me all of the day inside fake account. It's none of my business, it's your business. But don't come and say, because of one person, they want cost for fake account. For what? Who na build na bath? Where they want cost fake account? For waiting for Felicia matter. Who be Felicia? Aye do ye mi aye de. Our sister, buy for me. Buy from me. If you buy finish, I'll put Felicia joiner for you. Who ye de? What's that? Felicia, Lao, you are above 40 years. Respect yourself. Change. I think say you don't change. If you never change, we can never be friends though. Felicia, change. Felicia, you really need to change. If you need help to change, come to me, Monica. I will advise you. I will advise you. Say, my lady, you know how you want to change, how you want to abandon all this type of lifestyle. I will tell you. This is your lifestyle. I must say, ori on gue. Wojare ah. Ekianu we wo makwe so emeso no wa ro ededegbe ayan iyen ya ewunu yan yogi yan le papapan work ba agbagba no wan leave my business, wanna leave my business. You not let her leave your business. You dey share your business for social media, for public place, so public people we go use until they trade. You carry your business, you bring and come a public place. What you can say more use and they do more carry and go hiding place? Well, they trade them for public place. Carry your business, go privacy. Felicia, carry and go privacy. Everywhere go bam. Do you understand? Felicia leave a party alone. Vere. Ogbopo wa. Ogbeti. Overe. A party over here planning since everybody looking forward to that day. Felicia vere. Ugbopo wa vere. Felicia t'avait dit, Felicia t'avait dit, Felicia avait dit, ah non, et Felicia, non, Felicia, non, Felicia. Hein? Hein? Felicia là, dans l'uni menji au mon. Hein? Abipi no her, she's never tired. You lie. Oh, me don kaka bag. No na we me mami ona do don we na igbonwe. Oh, me don kaka ba. Wage Felicia. Me gba Felicia gbe. Ede, eme Felicia. Igba egbe. Eme mi ne Felicia wo. Sister FBI and Itapo donation or no so a donation or no back nemi ya make na cover up. Felicia, for something to cover up, you will just be quiet. Be quiet. My dear precious Peter, oh yeah, follow Felicia. Felicia come in, not the right and here again. Yeah. If I like to listen to Felicia, if we do and finish, no worry, I go listen to her. But if I don't want listen, me I don't be Felicia where they look for anywhere where they for talk about her. Me, where you for talk about me, I don't the listen. Because I know that it's going to be your pekete. It's going to be rubbish. You don't know me. Felicia don't know me, but me know her. Me know her because she put her market for Facebook, they sell and they go. Everything where Felicia will talk about me now, oh na lie, oh na just quarrel, What I want to die for? If I talk just now, say Felicia fuck ego oga, if na lie, me so put. I no lie, not true. Even picking where they never born, he know. No be the rest one where they talk about, but not be those one we come for. The one where we just come for. Now be say Felicia. If you know how you take create all the fake account where they worry you, so go close them. Now you create them. Now you give the power. If you like, hang yourself. Me, Monica, look at me. I don't care. But if you spoil a property, now they wait for you. You understand? Because you do it, even what do it, you do it. Même non si des permanent bon manuhi. Il même non si des permanent bon manuhi. E pa ignan pa la ya hero ma we de ni ke ga. Se Felicia si yo ge a e. E Felicia agbu e. O fenorio wa o ma. E Felicia o me mata. U gbopo wa de gedegbe. Eke ya de Felicia loskata e yok pa make. E pa ya note Felicia. E Felicia. Oh, t'avais dit. E Felicia. Ou noueni. Hey, salo bois. Il même ni ya vien. E Felicia te ragmonia. O ma we ni ezese. You know Felicia. E Felicia rama o. E Felicia ma bota we bona. Ou noueni amana zese yo. Forget it. Ou nou Felicia ni. Pa ni. Obo ki go ga. Waje na kewe osma snasha u mamure. Obo ki go ga mure na gu egbe. Very anana egana gbe. Egana tawe Felicia don't snatch person husband because the person wey get husband no cry come on. He go ga wife where you dey abi the shit for your head. The whole world know who they follow your husband. You no go come cry to social media, make they help you cry. How you get 4 children for man? One small akpelenge wey get husband for us. Go come they use your husband, they palaborate and follow everywhere. You no go cry come out. This is the era of leave my husband alone. Cry come out. nu gia si akpi koni ni amarueni gia si na ya gbalekun okwo ba no ma enegbe ario jane above 40 years she cannot respect herself what jade begbe me ki ama emi ki ade ogwe na hingan wo pa jare na maruwe we kwore ni ro tewe bona na maruwe e trebe so yen we ama ehe mi ya do we na wa pa ogwe ya tota egwe ya tota okonoro wo do boyfriend ya buerun de boyfriend. Can you imagine this sort upon your life? If you spread this a property, your head is not go good for us. Cause now you they do so. Me, I know you. Go bring the old man and go scatter and follow everywhere. Go they look for, I don't do anything. Oh, I don't do. She know they ever do anything. Oh, Felicia know they ever do anything. Felicia know they ever do anything. He know they ever do anything. My darling, I just said it just now. I said, wait till you listen for Felicia. I will not talk for year again. Last warning. Go listen to Felicia. And don't come and write it here. If you write and here, now you me go block. I don't feel sit down here, may you come they block, may you come they insult me because they not born Felicia away. May come my Facebook now, may come write. She won't die. You understand? So if you come here, come write, wait till Felicia talk. Since one vient give may your vient yakin don't try yourself. Okay? If Felicia have man, let her come and say it to me. That one she's saying, she said, you guys, go and enjoy yourself. And don't come and be commenting it here. What rubbish nonsense is that? Who be Felicia? Now you will not know her. The rest of us will know her. Shit. Now she be. Shit. The rest of us will know Felicia. Now shit. Nothing will go come out for Felicia mouth will go pain no man human being except human being will be like Felicia. Me. Nothing will go come out for Felicia mouth will go pain me. God forbid. Amamu meri ave na mwe Felicia biya. Sa obo ave lao. Nothing where Felicia go talk me go come out. Thank God say never even curse me when I come out. Because if he be don't talk this one, I'll come to say I can't reply her. No. If I want to talk to Felicia, she no need to talk to me first. I want too much. Too much me head herself. Say Felicia go come talk all this one when they talk. So me you come say Felicia me. Hi Felicia. It's enough for that ya do yo. Oh, God forbid. Felicia towe ne nyaga agba Italy, agba UK, agba Austria, agba Holland, agba Belgium. Deke na mana agba Felicia, agba Nigeria. E Felicia e na agba nu pogodo. E Felicia no ninye godmother oge. Felicia no ninye godfather. Felicia no ninye vie meeting. La o, inye Monica here setina. No ma kwe Monica ye ninye Monica ma we Felicia no ninye e manon e. Felicia ninye baba egbe. On ninye ja egbe. On ninye godfather. On ninye godmother. Felicia ninye vie meeting. Felicia ninye no e. Felicia ninye mani agba wina. Felicia ninye mani agba je Nigeria. Felicia Iwu gba na home the last year. Unwe Felicia na home we erije dana wo gbudu. Ukpo gba be gbiyan. Unwe Felicia na home. Ije no e godmother oge no. Unwe Felicia na home we awo gbudu gidi e trouser. Ona gbowe ipwa. Unwe Felicia na home me ire ba na gbudu do gbudu ma eme. Imeje dana maenu unu Felicia mana ogwa wiye dana gibe ori bunpo gbudu de you we bua emeriga no what de you we what de you we no what de you unu Felicia mana de mi okpa di mama unu Felicia unu Felicia be Facebook na mam nobody know where then awogwe bi Jennifer Young se we oka mo kwo ka memu unu Felicia mana we upono gba the island ona do de Facebook unu Felicia mana we awogwe bi Jennifer etie roba unu Felicia mana unu mana we we no majedo ni emi no sunu wa unu Felicia mana Eriane nemi sunu we Holland no ya de kan no sunu we Belgium unu Felicia mana now we marriage we 3 days ana wa marriage na wa destroy the 3 days we France unu Felicia mana we erishi uni ati you no kan baba ne baba obungbe Felicia ge power party negbe o epa Ge power party pa ma gbe Felicia wa mi ke no wana mo ya le yo toto mana destroy yan unu Felicia mana we UK yan lo de gbe you wo wa be na ge sadin salobua unu Felicia mana wo ko no bio me fe bige o wa go gwi ave na ga ya yo I make it with that mama jo unu Felicia no Felicia go we wo say o ina venu dae venu kwe Felicia inaya yada Felicia awolun we boy Felicia amore bawe oye na ekota oye kota boy me ya fefe ne Felicia mu be mo ya fe on ti tode ijo gbudu awo je ijo gbudu je we bi anti uronigbe awona ajrie ni ati iyo momo noro kenana vebo iyo wo vebo lele ya ne ekotani ne Felicia wa tobayo egbe oye tobalele hian awon iwa mi ije dana bi kuwe UK eyana wa jajuwe iya we yana wa jajuwe genenoko iya we gbe na wa wo yere we ba be ti ona Felicia ga bawo oge ugiasie ariave eni ki afo yu egbe re fo variana unu Felicia na onpo no gbe Elizabeth Greta emi ya no sunu wu gbe Elizabeth Greta unu Felicia na ho na ga de ta come when Elizabeth Greta mo piere yo wa even no fit there even no game salobu nu yeti you no kan Felicia do you no kan me why we me aso me Felicia no ti ni nye best friend oge sabo me la Felicia no wa ti ni nye best friend oge meme uga gwe Felicia wo se ni tamu wadu wa mayon then wata we magi wo se emi ya fe na we se ke na we ma so te ya ladian o sie until today Elizabeth Greta then no move vanish there your man emi ni ado we Nigeria we ni ya ji yokorion me Felicia wetin ya na ne ya owo pekere sabua wo gba kekan na o emi ni ya we yokorion mereva unu Felicia na ya fewe otinye no re Holland ve no do we he then salobwa abia no re UK no ro otinye no re UK unu Felicia mana opo no gba re gbiyan wa owa Vena odo ya gbe, veno ya gbe paja o, veno ya zigo no do veni e vaga depressi, veni ya do apolo, ana do avian yo we nan, egbe Felicia na unge, upo no gbe na, 2018 no, egba ma veri oni, odo gwime gwan, wa we ni me asa, sa bo ane la o salo bo ane gwa mi dan. Vena gamye ya uwa owo khan ya kesme adie jeni. Egbe Felicia na ngupo gba gbo Egbe Felicia na on groupe 2018 ba no ma e kan on 2018 anje. E ya gba saloboa. Ele ave mi on se saloboa gume go se dan rien. Ando rien go ezose. Honestly pass owe mi. Honestly pass owe mi. Ando wo no o tag bona me mi wan no ti gbegbi bat e Felicia. Size 35. Me ma wan no ti gba because even if mene to kele yan so agbe size 40 ne. E mono ma de gba be 12 yan agbe size 40 ne. E size for Felicia is size 35. But one me walk our gege gwalibata. E bata no size what me ma understand. E rio ibata yan wo ya silinya ya ona silinya yo wa. O iwa silinya ne. O wa rewe yo bo. O so agbale den wa agui. Eden wa gwi kere. O we chararara isho. Size 35. Gairi ibata ne ri oje. O wa agbale ribatana. O kono use size 32 be breza. Saloboa. Egbo ko ni wa we no laja no gwi megun. O ko nene we ne no ni san. Mene Monica. A lobo one of the universe. Me, I'll come out. I'll say Felicia cost me. They say Felicia cost me. You know fi happen o. May God forbid bad thing. May God forbid bad thing. Iwa la den we Felicia no gbe size 35. Cinderella na ragwa lo wi bata re amiwe. Ije. Iwe oni mi ado go a challenge. The live video iwa lawa. Iwa eko lawa ide gbe topic kaka. O go for big bad thing. Person where they use brazier size 32. No chest, no back. I can't command. I can't the totoran. Size 35 shoe. For waiting now. Even my children. Monica is just 9 years old. Already using size 41. Let me, mama, I can't talk to woman. 43 years old woman. Using size 35. So about me now. Nah, demi for neveki. I will take this woman follow body. Who way you know they take? Too small. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. So, Igor God wife, anywhere where you dey, come free of charge. We go help you drag your husband. You hear? This is the season of husband snatching must stop. Anybody where they snatch your husband, make una bring them come. Bring them come or share their picture. Especially Felicia. Or if Felicia they follow una drag husband for Italy. Wa mo ade. No wa gado nie wa na do ayon ne na ge. O me mi no ayon ne no age. Egbe na mu o na ta megbe we ame mi egbe wa gbonze. Me mi egbe wa gbonze o mi vo o ran tan. Ivo o gogo yo pe we na mi re tu gbo mo you wa. Felicia, emi no ko wenu tsa o. Hian venu tsa be Elizabeth Greta. To ye lele we hian. Ama women ne de o siwe. Emi no ko wenu tsa be gbe men Felicia. Mama gba wina ku gbe. Ime stay Italy de. Ime we de. Emi nu riri tsa be gbe men. Exame. Nu tsa be Elizabeth Greta. Oma wu. Oye ragbon ye lele we hian. Oma wu. Oye ragbon. Oye lele we hian se we ye no. Nu tabe gbe bi Jennifer o se we yan ye hin ori mo hin do di me a abi nu tabe gbe UK no u wi yan ruwo wa we na re sardine ayo gbi are ya tan omo ya yo wa me keri we da iyan me ewu iyan ye slay ama iwi me we no pe awo gba Ogwo no mo de ba webo uye la video ye me no da me yo we ama ira pu mene Monica no wa mi oja Felicia. Well, we are ladding out your bonny Monica. Even tell me well, no tiena a godmother where ya faya ye rak bon. No way tale le godmother way here no a ya marry. Felicia wama. Mene Monica na avec begwin we na. We. I make a ladian we have your bon where it one. Or twagbe Felicia. Une le tamegbe we. Ogumegbe ya agwegan. Ime tell me well. E wano wawe denwe. E wano ikowe. Uenya. Me Felicia. We gugwa. Mo. Gawok boy. Iya denwe. Atuwenya. Wenya loloe. Iya denwe. Iya loloe. Iya doriye we ye senta. We na hoku ko. We ni ya uwe vostra. E Felicia itavedion. Ija egbe no ende gbe na we. Ma we Felicia na. Agbinya we na gbazin. Ona riere, ona eoe, ona ri aju we senta. Ebi Jennifer inota, no ke nota. Ay! 43 years old woman. Nyagi lue. Ona je ona na gbe mune jo egbe. Ebi Jennifer inoe. Lare Felicia. Lady Felicia. Ibe on severio we. Awu water we. Awo wane. Ge. Okamo zo. Okamo huo. Ona. Ge. Imata mi jeme. Wenata wi jeme hun. Awu water Felicia. Me. Igata dadanza. Ija egbe we mudiona na danji. Lare awu water we emitima ashawo ma yagbe. Hey! Igata no ke we mudia because no ro wodo make Felicia mudia. Awu water we egena wa me na ya mu igo jomu. Ge agi seba amamiebe amwe kankan ladian amamiebe. Felicia avie ya no we ya. Ede du balama. Avie ya no we. Dede sene kwemu. Ware ni neve we bo wala wa Felicia penu lewe bo penu ke gbeti penu ke gbeligiligi ijo ligiligi ewe hije gbatigi Felicia gbatigi le litali ya emi city opa no mana gbatigi e Facebook yibe no ade me no Felicia no you po mari ebiri iga we for Felicia Eriyan ya deal with you. Ọmọ ri wo di ori so boye we igboy. Ge audio ni na check iboto. Eriyan deal with you. Iyan no ebe na deal with you. E mene Monica because me bana I me hit on ya ige we oda we gana fi we mi. Iye ke gana fi we mi. Unwi gana fi we mi. Uye weke. Uga lo mi o gbogbo aga seke no jeba mi aware forgive we Felicia because me ti your boy and the fe iyan no me we na ya gwogo iyan de ija gbagidi ere ija gbe na gele lue abe France na we wa lue ne wa be siegima salobu aponi ai Monica Felicia we na eminu we gbime gwan Felicia hey wa be lue ne wo stra ivie France na wa be tie hey ija gbe France na we Felicia wata mi ma we ero gwage eri ogbijo wa yan na silegbe la wa Felicia eni wa be fone o ayi wa be o erishi wa be no awerishi eri osio ni no je af boba salobua ana werish Felicia doi okwo na nuka na wodoje Felicia doi Felicia hete uweke gwe Felicia nu all ni so o prepare ya kwa ne baba na O ve tamimane si. Ve ne rishi ya mwigo ne eve ni ya gba travel ve ni ya gba stay ye o mata yan lo ye kugbe o we so pan party okpa ni ya jobo stra e di woman ve rishi yan gba wa rent wo wa kugbe yan na ready sin room o mata yan lo ye kugbe o we so pan yan gba wa ye ve di sin room Felicia ogbe ti no po wa uvere Evi no sunu vegbe. Iyani no jogwa. I dey do business for home. I give woman belle. Felicia gbewe mana in the beginning to the end. Felicia wogari ekia joa. Salo bua. Felicia gbewe mana hon. Ve no kwoni ya sia ogwa e. Ve na vi je ya fe ya oenbo. Iyana sia ogwa ari oenbo. Iyana ya gbe yo to viva. Felicia what time my man. What egbewe mana hon vene viatie e bagua veno va vinya ve no mie ve no pompe ve na ge pompi no je ko ve gbi keke egbe Felicia mana hon amen vene social media na ye se na enye so hagumeri unu kan ami mi opa ne gios e Felicia unu kan E Felicia no guardi e bagware erio no jona erio no joni mega iga no Felicia wo no jo ena wogi no jinya ena ogwerio no jona erio drop joni erio swe joni erio vava joni erio bole joni egbe Felicia na ya boy Felicia My sister, me I go forgive and forget. Oh, my own. No, if I don't talk my own, I will enter. I go sleepy. Unwe gegbe Felicia. Ahia dokboru. Kekeve kankan veve na ya nerun juonu. Unwe ga eti gwa gbeyegbe asoku oba 43 years old inuje. Felicia agmo wa ma. Udu ami ujibu webu. Unwe na kekeve akarawe. Hey, salobua. Emi la ahia gbe yakara we no ro because emi opa wa gbokpa no riye emi la ne gedegbe ahia ya zese yakara we no mieke na silop o wo jare go onwebu unu wa na onwu wa ya no onwebu eri wa ya jigu wa ajiku afi afioro water unu wa na on ima onwebu de imebe nu wa jebo dodo E Felicia tire nu wajebo dodo wa me Felicia wa noe. E Felicia we mi wa pass through ge egiata. E iko ya ni o me bonota wi yen me black. O wunu yanje. Ireba o. Me o me bo dede me de ni yari e dagbo me. E Felicia we wa ya ni o me bo nu wa dori bo ye bo nu wa vin deri wa ve jeve na yin me matin go pa wa yin e Felicia unu e ado nu e ga de be go ga loko unu e ga de pa unu e ga de to Felicia fe Felicia go we wo se u de gbo yi se Felicia na go a woman pa no re esudi wo say hey salobua Felicia ona go no re esudi ona go wo say Felicia na we no do dukmo oni wukmo na here €70 Felicia we ni do debe 300 we na wo ma oma ijinyewu ni e ka gwedene no me ke na ya gwenye we beria we Nigeria ye ni u Felicia we a ogun me sense iyan ni wa we lele ken iyan lowe we a me ken Elizabeth na lowe oye po uwe ogu wo pa me wo pa fie o se we do mine Felicia na we no we re do dukmo ni gige ijin gwenye ni de ma no lele yen oni na wo ma ya wa deja egbe ya de Oni na we mukmore, oni na €100, ona kaya gboze ba yo boy. Felicia na we ge mugure. Felicia na we mi ti ya wa ya dele ticket na rio wa na ya gwe boboy. Oni we ya gwe boboy na we Nigeria. E yo wa yin ga gwalo. Yin gi se we boy na we Felicia. Owana ka calling. Rigore, umerigu more, riguk moreo, maledzi, riguk moreo. Anyway, Isaac pokpinye. We na we Felicia nai. O wa Isaac bona so atinye. Area de prative France, area we na we a we ye pe ni je parti. Yen tama we international member yen hiarahi, this time member yen ti je parti. Igon waya je parti yen azogiwa. Felicia, oh we no. Uke la mitina. Awata we international no ni na we o. Iwata mu wa we me do international. Imi aga zigo. Felicia we okoni omostoro. Ani we yen gige we ni aya de ye gbe ye mitina de yen ti we me tene. Felicia jinye hiya. Oh, we made the bad meeting. Then ya everybody. Then mi jagade. Then no payamwe. Then I am nona. Then I am noni. Felicia na watale ya mayin. Then Elizabeth Greta. Then mi ya gole. Iyo salobuave. Then I ya mi no. Benenemi. Oh, one watale ya mayin. Ikpia ire mitini ke no reference ke ya owono wa ninye owo na we Jesus egbe mitina ya do de bana he o e mitini ma na emi ja egbe wa o ija egbe wa ninye ya fe manyene o agin danwe o kwani we na o ebi yan iwe Felicia na igukun na yin ire ne zo mekenare o we Felicia na ti we digukpore o yin we na o yin wa kwe o yin we ya kwe yin marire Felicia na wa mo wala ye mitinare o igo 100,000 ni marien we the ikujwe riere payback bana ni maden we take back gege banana ure oni we na wa ko wodi ogie Felicia egbe balo we gbe 100,000 yen return egwe ne bana lawo ya mu we nenemi apapava imuye wa ya mu igwa le miti wa gwa lo mano wa gun we mi ikuje me wa we ni wa wese igwa le miti Felicia mede de gbe ute wa be sun ene wa te be sun ani yinye Felicia la igukun ni yeri egwe because igukun ni yere ya origine iye mukun wa ya free of charge for that reason igukun ni ye mu wa free of charge o igukun no ke yeri pay Felicia bana wa ya mu be ke ni ye mu eji 100,000 yeri ton na you account ne gege e we gbe te fo yin loriari owe Felicia gbe na we nwe Felicia egbavo seni u jere mi no be sunu be France una wu ro ni no wa yo bo iru e yo bo o man we na ro yo bo na do ene no ma na anwa we na anwa na yo bo we wetu we uwere yin yo bo we na are yin we na anwa me gbugwe yin bo ugu mama ugu ze mami mama jin bo ona give it to you boa Felicia ke ya na tu we bi konu do society Monica wa meje bugwe Felicia meje bugwe na Felicia ipo se po na meje bugwe nana miewe ami kazon pa na mana etie we nudote ekena o sesebo watabo UK ujo uwe wasete ameriomo Felicia one more word from you eri no sunu we gbe meriomo upo no gbe the UK la video na hia na ho upo no gbe meriomo the UK la video na ahia na ho Felicia la video ahia na ho Felicia a pioro walk ba mene a emiaru pa no mi regbe why UK yawu UK na yo na wiawo wa UK ni na ne mona wona na UK ni na bieli beside UK na kinya na yezoi Felicia no wana ya Felicia me jo ve der yo me mami wa no bi beside UK na na bi owe UK ohwoke biome 4 amostomie handicap we Felicia wajo wana mi handicap nu ya gokhia ve social media nu ya ninye mek bi avi wokhia Felicia no ninyo sio ne kwemu ohwo no ninyo sio ulenia eri eje UK uke me family no be 4 children most me handicap awok pa mana ga jeberiana akanpa jeberiana o eni no mo egun o eni no mo gwawe o yin wa yoyo omo no yoyo gwa be 9 years omo no yoyo gwa be 10 years eni handicap Felicia unuwe oye tun yo betu nuwe oso togo unwe Felicia also unwe yetun also togo amiwo Nigeria wajo wana ya gwebi Jennifer Bobugie Felicia gire o maimi ona abalo me na we Felicia na oge abungbe jeke o mami eviore toge o hian togo moye public koso ori ari gbe ege ya Felicia no mukbiare adowe be beda wai la social media we miunu no ya gwo ma gwo avegile woni donwa sa obo me la o ne nu ta no da me wo da me ba bo siegbe no sensinire no na da me bia na okwo na wa apari nwi na no odo we kia be beda awai owe ebo ede no ti dey happen ebo ma wa sa obo me la o Uje Nigeria ya goma we marriage we de una sileran vi nyedan ya no sunu we va ona adegbo to gbigbe Felicia why we na miemi we mata egi we ya una wa miemi we gbe awose we u mata u ma ya ninye egwe ya ande manu ninye ma iyan wa gbon because who won say who say une mana o ma nu we ninye ma we bia ninyo mani o ma bad uya tuwe ma be UK uhure upo ununa vaeya uvalia gbaeya beni ya dai o Felicia ga do tuwo ma wo wa o he ga godo gwan wa godo gwan wi binyere bo ga gba wa we o he ga godo gwan uya tuwo mama na gwa wa egbon Felicia aya gie wo nuna iga gokian emi nu mie iya ya gie wo nu ya pasiyan iya ye ro emi o rere nu tabe ba iya ma kogo sunu wo wiyan wa ta vije Jennifer wo we uje pati awe gbeya I invite we be party useva awe na gbeya owe na roto ofen we hin undu wa o han giagi be invite ma be party parti pana uga ye dese venu duevi tali dese nu ya gbekie parti vati egbe wana ngupo gba ve gbiyan evani no ga uve na rivien va ve Facebook u ma mi nu ta ve gbiyan egbe wana ve ngupo gba ve geni Felicia dese nu ya destroy e patiyan be Italy uga siese Germany enye hian so yo wa o enye hian so yo wa o hian sayo uve sunene eru ya gboligi fun eya aga mo no gboligi de bana usafian ya welubo Felicia uma onurie party total yo wa onure mwegbo ade no problem wa Wa we nothing dey happen. Agba we no problem. I me no we go we. We on I gi say ju we agba we ne. No me gba we un e to da le we bo. Even ni me le we bo yan gba we ne Africa. Everybody yon man know. I Felicia no you pon mari ebiri. Oko no mo de va be we bo. I mean no my yon we. E mega star e we hin. Oni. No dispute about that. Wa we nou ye dese we yari ya. Nou ya siye parti. Oge nana yeke. Una we nou ye unuwe. Nou ya siye parti e pari yeke you are lying. Awe parti da ou yere ana we parti. A invite on na invite we. Mwe ologo mano lele we hian because e do we hian. O mo wa ya we wo say, "U wa mo logo ma we, u wa mo gioma." Ni me no see e. Why do you always do that? O mo wa we guwe wo say. E pa wa guwe wo so me sunu ege no hinana. U mo logo ma we ya mo ye social media oge. Why? Obiere social media ogo ona fe ko we mi o wo pa invite ma ya ni ke e ya unwa. O we be sun wo pa pay €50 a Felicia. Wa pay na ne ma me pay de. E mi na ri mule a pay the programme pa. Ake me mi no sunu ban ou vi a go kian ve nou ga go with baby Jennifer. Ou vi a go kian ou na ye ya hin fe kakant. Ou ye ya hin fe kakant. Anyway, na ya vie. Felicia. Iya wara gbomone. Ai fo biene. Felicia, you can go do your own now. You understand? Go ahead. You can cry your cry. You can do your do. If you do wa gbovo hane, afo biene. E no wine, no ma we me no wine. If you be like ya loloy. Ya loloy. One. Anytime we are grow up, if you be like ya, ya me where you jina. But since woman onu grow up, then you what where we go from one eco to another. And then what way again and again. Ate where we go, ate where we go, ate where we go, ate where we go, ate where we go. Eco the whole country. I mi kokpa na manati we. Area wa sunu we wo Felicia no. Okay? Anything why for me, e aso di we. We are ka finish any. We ke bui mi ande. O we me finish e aso du we. We mi orion yak pa ye ba nire. Okay? Cause e aso di we o na ketika. We ketika wo go me. Oge mi na me. If no one he, I me one me. Thank God why use a statement in the na. Oh when we wabe told when you me wabe gwime. Amana uberi na. I am in you understand? Okay? Felicia, I so be fake account ya. Ahwe fake account we na la dia. Ona so an lowe. Felicia wa woman dege. One so that is sorting na. Who can receive? You understand? So that is sorting na. Who can receive? If a can't at your bon or walk by yet a bona, Ariane ne fe cacan. A topic that dog of whoever. A mammy no so. I want to wona soon. Pa. Oh, ya bring a fake account in Nama ya fair will introduce the ya. Felicia, change your ways. Change it. We are tired of this your old ways. Go and change it. Go and make friends if you want to make friends. Friend the man go and make it la wa. Eya agwa le negbiyan do atalelele a beran ba a biri ya hian. Okay? Bye. Don't tell anybody about yourself. Keep it to yourself. If you don't have good friend, if you go and make friend with somebody like Felicia, what you don't buy markets. Person go they follow, person they go. People will not even know you before. They go know everything where they inside your body. God forbid. Anything where friend get, he go narrate them. Back. Uso where or say, woman knowing where or say me what we wow, who can ha, who we handicapé, amosto, or where you can ya fefe, handicapé yahin. Uso woman, mio se we, a convier ma unu. Umanti was sene a convier hana, why wa convier mana? Huh? Italy ni manje omoke wa wanse eji na wa kone aya mu e boko yo e bracelet e boko matiere Netherlands aya mu ya kon u mighty tame osewe uhu payevani re una na sewe hian we eriri e ya via kon go dukun we na ga kofe Felicia udiji egbe ma bu we awale akwe wo wa Felicia yo woman ona wa egbe weze o we ando e poti we am e poti no ya leve wo we me ando Felicia emi wa ne egbe poti ni wo wa de so Felicia o viere de poti o gbe ma uzena wa bu no wa ya bo me ne poti fu a wo pa maybe edenure o mai ike ya bomene ne potifua una na lele everywhere ya hian we are reportu sonne e potero pa ene ando Felicia u je kenana te we meeting u wa jo ware u wa shawoyan ya wa gbe ashawoyan ya exist sa obo pa ena diyan ba ene o iyan ye gbe o iyan gigbe o beto kewe yata mi ma yane uwe kije egbe ya se gbe e manager u wa shawo yan ya wa gbe hey meti de ba meeting now e meeting yan ya na wa gba shawo ne no gba shawo mama so ko no ro wodo no my boyfriend eyan ge no gba shawo o ma so ko no ro wodo no ri boyfriend le ran vi ya hin iyan gbashawo ashawo yan ya gbe o ashawo yan wa ya shine o ashawo no ashawo yan gbe o ashawo yan ya bele me ti stay ke yan na gbashawo ye ti stay a group ni gbashawo emi na gbashawo emi shin everybody na gbashawo wa demi ashawo yan gbe o emi ti na gbashawo iyan ya wa gbashawo ija gbe yan gbashawo enekere gbashawo no ke gbashawo o ma no mare akwe wa teke deti ne oye gbashawo eya gbashawo ashawo yan gbe o eya ro owe bo eya me group iwe ya hin si e wa na gbare meeting eya ro we bo eya me boyfriend ije me eya wa ro we bo e bori e beniya eya ro we bo iye me boyfriend yan ye pa wa ya hin ke iyan we opa ugo ebue o opa wayahin isi wayahin eyan genoro we bo no me boyfriend opa wayahin o wonoro we bo no me boyfriend opa wayahin opa go we buhin de sana nagigo ashawo yahin ashawo we be ado ti me be gbe meeting ni iye o he gi ado ti me be ko iye we iga se ba emi awo adien du mai de ba we ma hin na shawo shawo yakyo ija agbe shawo no shawo yakyo a shawo ya yo enoka shawo no we marriage no ra shawo no iyo wa control iyo wa press yo tebe no seva e o yo kan tebe no seva bi me o yakadika iyo salobwa Achawoya hio, ashawoya hio, ashawoya yashe, ashawoya yawahi, inya yawa bashawo, inya bashawo. Ma, na good night. Awa teme Felicia. Awa miamede. Amiamede. But you were seeing ACA. Puna for just leave a picture today. For no metal like you na go dey comot a picture for one. Na dey fear Felicia. Who dey fear Felicia? Felicia wan gbon ki na mo ya. Wan e riuji ne gbe. Wan na riuji ne gbe. Mo e. Ve no ta se ve gbe me so na ma you no kaninya. Ni wa sinya e. Man ni respect egbiyan respect. Aba shawo. Ege nedze. Ege ahian mare. Or you stop all the old boyfriend before. Or stop him win up with our normal job. I'm you and me a boy, I'm you and me a shower. Now he's Jenna. He ain't fixed the January 10. He ain't bashawo say January 9. He ain't the way marriage with January 10. Wako. When I get old method the man I got here. Old school. Maybe I be when you marry again and eru wagia wagyo. Shower. Ija egbe bashawo. Baba egbe bashawo. Baba egbe wa wiyan ya. Baba egbe wa wiyan ya. Eri no ke wona na eru wa. Isalopwa. Eri dia wa eru wa we ebigo. Eri ebigo na ya fie ye no ke. My God, ya when you are you know me ya nana ekwe wa mu me obungbe ana ijebe na mi we agi free wu wana agi wa free wu wo jegbe o jegbe gbatigi no wa jena ama be mi opa ne no ma be you no kan no be free baba egbe o we ja egbe o we manager a manager o we a secretary o ya we matron odo a meeting guy I mean na ya mu de Felicia ifo ya ni rogodo e u level kin da do ya la wawo God forbid. Felicia Gioma we matron or we patron or ya we jagbe a godmother or we goddaughter. Une Felicia na ya. Amen no time no sutu baba. Oh my sister. Ashawo that they collect money o. Cheerful giver. Ashawo ya dukmo. Ashawo ya dele. Even 1 million. Ashawo ya shan. Yenti the back group ashawo. Ya ashawo. O kwa shawo. Akao. Eriawe deti. Onyu iwa pa mo din sebo. Amare January 10 ana wa gbashawo January 9 ana mare with January 10 Felicia I give you one for all the free broadcasting service where they bring for all of us though you try. Now good night, bye my people.